Blessings, everyone. Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel. I'm Mrs. Gold. Okay. So, Gaza, hey, I'm all for dancehall. But Gaza said, Jeremy doesn't count because there is technical issues. No, there is no technical issues. The only technical issue is there is no backup sound for Kartel's voice. Okay. So then they said, let's give Amsterdam a chance because Amsterdam gone good. Oh my God, people, look what happened in Amsterdam. And let's please note, the reason why Amsterdam did good is because it was like a karaoke session. All Vybz Kartel did was sing over his own track. But here's what happened in Amsterdam. Them nah show you.